Increasing food needs, larger and larger farms, ever-changing regulations, resources management. Agriculture is evolving. Abelio acts at the core of these issues to work towards a high-performance and sustainable agriculture that combines yield, quality of work, and limited environmental impact. With our digital decision-making tools, we ensure that the field know-how stays at the center of farming practices. Complete farm monitoring, detection, and analysis tools are brought together in a single interface to make informed decisions by using the indicators that you need at your level. We offer a platform that connects to all tools in the field for greater simplicity and flexibility between farming equipment. Developed hand-in-hand with field workers and end users, we provide a wide range of services in an all-in-one solution: fertilization optimization, weeds detection, stages and diseases forecasting, irrigation management, and much more. We use several types of data sources, combined with the power of artificial intelligence to ensure smarter inputs management and guaranteed quality. We combine this with continuous research and development across the entire agricultural sector to bring innovative solutions for tomorrow's challenges. At Abelio, we use data to serve agriculture and farmers.